Oh my gosh. This is giving 12 Dancing Princesses. If you guys know, like the slippers. Oh my gosh, I am gonna put that on a keychain. That is so adorable. This is part 2 of the mystery jewelry jar, and this is a craft jar. So I'm just gonna keep on going. Again, such cool stuff. Like I don't know how to wear this, but does it just go like that? A little elephant on there. It is so cool. Not my style, but very, very cool. This cool heart pendant looks like these are a little bit chipping, but it is still cool, but I wouldn't wear. I also wanted to buy this because I love to craft, so I'm going to use a lot of the stuff that I don't end up wanting and like repurpose it into something else. This cute little friendship bracelet looks like little people holding hands. That is very cute, but I would not wear. This is adorable for like a cute gothic style. Oh my gosh, that is really cute, but I would not wear. Two pendants where I'm sure you could do like a picture and resin it over top, but this has a lot of possibilities. These little heart charms. This cute heart. I don't think I would wear it. It looks like it does need a new chain, but yes, I'm gonna put it over here because I would not wear it. Ooh. Okay, I do like this. So cute. Like a fairy moment. Adorable. Yes, I would wear. Aw, this cute little heart. A lot of this I think my daughter would love when she's a little older. Another ring pop style ring. Cute. And another. This would be cute for like party favors for kids' parties. This cute heart pin. Adorable, but I would not wear it. I mean, I would have put it on anything. This necklace. I would not wear it. Oh, this tassel earring, and there is a match right here. I don't wear tassels, but for tassel earrings, these look really good. Like, they're not like all crazy and flaring out. So if anybody's interested in these, let me know. This is a choker, and you could put something in it and resin over top. Like, that is so cute. Yes, I cannot wait to do something with that. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Oh my gosh. Little ballerina. You're kidding. That is an extremely cute keychain. I would not put it on anything, but I know somebody will love that. That is so cute. This little heart bracelet, I don't think it's gonna fit me. Yeesh, I'm not gonna risk it. Very cute for a kid. I would not wear it, but I think somebody would love that. Oh, this is really cool. Handmade in the Philippines. Very cool necklace. I'm sure it can be doubled. It is seashells. I'm not gonna try to. I know it can be doubled. I think if you have a smaller head, but it is really cool. I do like it, but I don't think I would wear it. Just a little too long. Okay, this cool bangle. Oh my god, 70s vibes. Oh, that is a really cool bangle. I would not wear it because it's not my style, but it is extremely cool. Oh, this is cute. I think this charm could be on like a keychain or something. Oh my gosh. This is giving 12 Dancing Princesses. If you guys know, like the slippers. Oh my gosh, I am gonna put that on a keychain. That is so adorable. This bracelet. I don't think I would wear it, but it is pretty. Oh wow, this is so pretty. It's like pearlescent in there. Yes, I would absolutely wear that. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. This big ring, it is missing one diamond, which I don't know if I'll be able to find that exact gem, but I could put, like, take this side one out and put new ones on both sides. But it is so cool, you guys. It's adjustable. I'm going to put it in the craft pile because I do want to try and fix it because it is really a pretty ring. This cutesy little heart with the crown, it is missing some gems. I would not wear. This cutesy little heart necklace, yes, I would wear. That is adorable. I also love this little heart necklace. Oh, those are so cute for Valentine's Day. Adorable. This cute heart bracelet. It is really cute. Yes, I would wear. This keychain. Somebody explain this to me if you know. I haven't seen. I don't know if this is like some type of show, but let me know in the comments if you know what that is. Okay, this is interesting. Oh, cool. Okay. Somebody tell me what that is. It comes up. It comes open like that. And then it closes. The front is absolutely gorgeous. Like maybe it could hook onto a pin or something. I would like it more as a necklace. That is really pretty. I'm going to put it in the craft pile. These cutesy sunglasses, which my daughter will absolutely love. She's obsessed with sunglasses, so yes, I'm going to keep these for her. I'm going to have to try to figure out what this is. I'm going to put it in the craft pile for now. Then I'm going to try to figure it out. This cutesy little heart pin. I would not wear it, but it is very cute. Okay. This little frog earring. Oh my gosh. If there's not a match to this, I'm going to take it off the earring and I'm going to make it a necklace because that is so stinking cute. Okay. Pretty copper earring. I'm pretty sure something needs to go there. If there's a match, I'm going to try to find something to put there. That is really cool. Alright, I think this is an earring. Okay, that is cute. Very simple and adorable. I'm going to put it in the front just to find if there's a match. And this cute bracelet, I'm sure I could use the beads for something else because it looks like it's just stretched out a little bit. Oh, crap. This watch face, that is so cool. It's giving Alice in Wonderland. If I can find where to put it on, that is sick. Okay, go to part 3.